Hi everyone, today is 11th of February 2020. Today we'll be trading the volatility 50 index, digits under. We noticed that in the past few weeks the broker platform updated their algorithm, so trading became more sophisticated and people tend to lose their funds. We got some few emails. Though the in and out strategy, the scraper strategy still works well, but the touch strategy we dropped on the second channel is kind of obsolete right now. So we have to make a follow-up video. Here, as you can see, I've logged into the trading platform. Make sure you are using the webtrader. So don't forget to subscribe to our two channels for more upcoming strategies. Just click on the subscribe button. So let's get back to the trading. Today we'll be trading the last digits using the spinning top indicator. So I've logged in. These are the rules for this strategy. These are the rules. We will trade 4 times. So let's get back to the trading. This is a link to sign up for a free trading account, and this is a link to the first channel, and this is a link to the second channel. So make sure you subscribe using both links to our channels. So these are the rules for this strategy right here. Today we will drop 2 videos as well, one on the old channel and one on the new channel, so don't forget to check both channels. So let's get back to the trading. I've logged into the trading platform. Don't forget to use the web trader. So we're going to open the volatility 50 index and I'll push it right here. So we are starting here now with 4315.24. so let's see what we'll make after 4 trades. So I'm going to open the indicator as well. Just go to charts, go to certain gauges and go to volatility 50. So let me push this a bit down here. Okay. So we'll be going for trade number 1. So let's set the indicator. Just go here and go to pattern recognition, and under pattern recognition you will see the spinning top indicator. Scroll down, that's pattern recognition. Just scroll down a bit. So this is it right here, and you click on OK. Then make sure you change this to tick. Then make sure you drag this very close. Very close. So just go to digits on the trade, go to digits, then you choose digits under, then the last digits under will be 9, then the durations is 1 tick. Everything is stated right here. You can see everything is stated right here. 9, 1 tick. So after setting both, all you need to do, just enter the amount you'll be staking. I will be staking $50 and I will trade 4 times. So once this blue line, once it goes up, we click on purchase. Once it goes up towards this level, we click on purchase. You see it's going up. And make sure it's also facing up. The V sign, make sure it's facing up before you click on purchase. So you have to watch very carefully. It's going up. It's up. You can see the line is facing up before I clicked on purchase. So that's it. That's the first trade. We'll trade 4 times. So let's place the second trade. Don't trade more than 4 times if you are using this strategy. So let's wait again for the line to go up. Let's wait a bit. The line is a bit parallel. I want this line to face up. It's down. It's going up gradually. It's down again. It's going up. It's going down again. Have to wait patiently. Okay, it's up. So that's our second trade there. Let's wait for the outcome of the trade. So we won the second trade. We'll go for the third trade, and after that we'll place the final trade. Don't trade more than 4 times, please. Don't trade more than 4 times. This line must face up. You can see it's facing down. It must face up, and it must be at this level before you click on purchase. Don't forget. Okay, that's the third trade. Let's wait for the outcome. So as you can see, we won the third trade. We'll go for the last trade. So you have to wait for it to, don't be in a haste to click on purchase. Let it come down a bit, then go right back up before you click on purchase. Don't click on purchase instantly when it's still up after your last trade. So it's down, so once it goes right up again, you can click on purchase. Going up. So that's the last trade, and we won all the 4 trades. As you can see, we won all the 4 trades. So we made this is what we start with 4315. That's 4315.24 minus 4333.24. So we make about 18 4333.24 minus 4315.24. So we make $18 in about few minutes. So after some hours again, you can do it again. Thanks for watching. Bye.